If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at the next question. Find the albums that sold more than 1 unit but only in the second half of the year. So for this we will have to find the half of the year, basically months which are after June or before June, and find their total sales and ensure that they have sold only in the second half of the year, not necessarily in the same year. So what all tables we need here would be albums. Albums will connect to tracks on album ID, which will join on invoice items, and finally invoices, invoice ID. On the fields we would need is title from the album and sum of quantity as total sales. Now an important thing is we need to know the months, and when we use strf time it returns the data as string format, so we will also use casting. Invoice date, and here we will cast as integer. We want greater than 6, group by. So here we can see all the sales which are occurring after June. So let's put this one into a CTE and call it H2. We will create a similar CTE for the H1 less than or equal to 6, and finally do a left join from H2 to H1 on title, and we'll say H1.title is null. Since we have already done total sales, we don't need to do that again. So we can see this. However, the question also says it has sold more than 1 unit. So for that we'll simply say and total sales greater than 1. So when we run it, this is the output.